Hi y'all, it's Diane with GSFF, and I wanted to come to you today. First of all, full disclosure, I made this video in pieces, and the first piece I was holding the camera all kinds of goofy, so I'm having to redo the first piece. What we're going to talk about today is I'm making my first worm bin, and I'm very excited about it. So I'm also a very impatient person, so I didn't order red wigglers, which they say are really great compost worms. But they take a few days to get to you. So my daughter and I ran out to a bait and tackle shop because I heard that those were fine too. And we got some European night crawlers. And I think I paid way more for those than I would for the red wigglers, which I ended up buying red wigglers a couple of days later. So my bin now has European night crawlers and red wigglers in it. And the European night crawlers are really big, like earthworms that you see in the ground. I don't think they're the same thing, but that's what they look like. So what I wanted to do was I want to make my own compost, and they talk about how really good it is for your plants to fertilize, and then you can make compost tea, which they call black gold, which is really, really good for your plants. So I wanted to give it a try myself. People say that they keep a worm bin under their kitchen sink, which is kind of, I don't know if I could do that. I don't have any room under my kitchen sink. I'll tell you that right now. So what I did was I went and bought two Rubbermaid type bins. Actually, the Sterilite, the really cheap ones at Walmart, the cheaper ones at Walmart, with lids. The two bins are because the bottom bin, if you put the holes right in the top bin, will let any liquid drain out, which you can use that as a liquid fertilizer for your plants. So it also said to use a drill with a bit and everything. I don't have one, but my daughter has a soldering tool, so she brought it over, and my grandson Kanan helped us do that. So what we did was he punched holes with the soldering tool all the way around the outside of the tub, of the top tub that we're going to set inside the other tub. The other tub doesn't have any holes around the side. We put the holes right around the side up high, and then we put holes all into the lid, which you'll see in a few minutes when we move over to those videos. You'll be able to see exactly what he did and how he did it. So we started out in the office, and then all the smoke alarms in the house went off because of the smoke coming from the soldering gun. So we moved outside. So the second part of the video, you'll see us outside. So anyway, we did all that, and then we punched very tiny holes in the bottom of the top tub, so that the liquid would drain, but the worms can't get out. And then we go on from there, and you'll be able to see the steps that we've done and all the videos that we took along the way. But I just wanted to come and tell you that that's what we're going to talk about today, is a worm bin that you can keep inside, because I'm keeping it inside because it can't get too hot, it can't get too cold, you know. I have a closet in my office, it's dark, and that's what they like, is dark. Of course, it's got a lid on it. And so put the lid on it, keep it in there, and I feed it, you know, I go in there and feed them and, you know, check on them and everything. Everything's cool. So this is just the beginning video, and then we're going to move right into the rest of the video to show you how we did it and how things are going now. Again, this is Diane with GSSF. No, that's not right at all. It's Diane at GSFF, and thanks for joining us on this worm bin journey of mine, and I will be sure to let you know how it goes and if it works well for us. Thanks. Bye.